Planning to explore Brighton without the inconvenience of dragging your luggage around? Radical Storage provides an easy and secure way to store your bags while you discover the city. In this guide, we'll explain how to use Radical Storage to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Brighton. Radical Storage partners with trusted local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your bags are safe and fully insured while you explore. To get started, simply use the secure link provided in this guide to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, search for luggage storage points in Brighton by typing Brighton into the search bar. A list of available storage locations will appear, allowing you to choose the most convenient one, whether near popular tourist sites, transit hubs, or the city center. After selecting your preferred location, choose your desired drop-off and pick-up times and proceed with the payment. Radical Storage guarantees secure online transactions, ensuring your peace of mind when booking. Once your booking is confirmed, you will receive a reference number and directions to your selected storage point. When you arrive, simply present your reference number to the staff, and your luggage will be safely stored. That's it. Now you can enjoy your time in Brighton without worrying about your belongings, knowing they are safe with Radical Storage. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.